Q7 2007. Multiple misfire bomb. If you have a multiple misfire bomb, probably you should check if you get electric converter. This vehicle they both plugged in. As you see, one here, and there's another one. There's two on the top, and there's two on the bottom. 6 in line, multiple misfire bomb. Thank you for watching.